100cc Sweeting Senior High School students were recognized for their academic achievements during an honor roll assembly held recently under the theme Unlocking Potential, Celebrating Success.
Honorees, today we celebrate you. Your achievements remind us that when we set goals and remain focused, success is within reach. May this moment inspire you and all of us to continue striving, growing, and unlocking our fullest potential.
Clint Watson, General Manager of the Broadcasting Corporation of the Bahamas, delivered an empowering keynote address.
Today, the school ought to be commended because you are achieving greatness in our country. You are making yourself a conduit for blessings and people who will make the Bahamas greater.
Speaking from personal experience, Mr. Watson offered his own life challenges as a testimony to inspire the collective student body, particularly those who fell short of the honor roll.
While I want to say some fine words to these academic achievers, I don't want to ignore the rest of you that are here today, because sometimes we define success by those who achieve high, not recognizing that for some, being able to be present is success all by itself.
John Lee McIntosh for Ed Talk.